Welcome back. I'm very, very happy you're here. I do appreciate you. I want the best for you. I hope you had an amazing week, and I hope everything worked out for you. I hope you watched the videos that I posted because all the things that I said were going to happen happened, and I hope you're able to benefit from them. I hope you're able to profit off of them because, once again, this is completely free, and I really hope things work, uh, genuinely get better for you, to be honest. We all go through tough periods and through tough times. I just want to tell you that things are temporary. I know you came here for a trading video, but with anything else, if you spend a few minutes with me, you'll get like life advice. And my favorite saying that I say to literally everyone I meet is that everything's temporary, meaning that certain situations, more specifically bad situations, are always temporary. I've been working late all week. You can look at the videos. I record these videos and I allow the time to be shown. Every video is at like 12 o'clock, 12:30, 12:40, 1 a.m. So the reason for that is to show you my level of commitment in this channel, in this group, in this community, because I'm dedicated to you, and I understand what it's like to start trading and not know anything, and then I understand that no one cares about you, man, and I just want to let you know that I care about you, and if I can do something to allow you to better yourself, to allow you to literally make money, I think it's something that I wish someone would have done for me. So we're going to quickly go into what this channel is about for the people who are new. For the next 6 months, I'm going to make a video explaining how I looked at the stock market, how I obviously take the trades, but for you, how you could have taken the trades and how you could have made money. So we'll get right into it. I guarantee you in the next 6 months, I will become profitable. I really am profitable now, and you will be too. And that's literally the sauce. I'm giving out the sauce for free because I appreciate you, and I hope that you find value in this and just kick it. So I made this last week. Check the channel. Should be uploaded. It's time stamped. The videos are timed and dated. I want to. Okay, this is better. That way you can like actually see my face. So let's get right into this. Oh, great. So now you can't even see my face. So what are we talking about? I did a little thing over here. Every week I go through what happened on SPY. I look at what happened, what phase of the market we're in, how market structure is looking, and generally it's really hot down here. We got like a little winter storm coming. It's been snowing for the past few days. I'm in my basement right now, and it's just the heat is like going. I'm wearing a hood because I don't really feel like doing my hair, but you guys don't care because you love me for me, and I can see why. I am funny and likable and charismatic and amazing. So let's get back into this. So, as you know, the first week of the series, we made a move up, right? Then we made the U shape, right? As you see in the first videos. Then we made the upside down shape, which I called out and you saw it play out in real time. If you haven't, look at my past videos. I literally call it out days before it happens in real time. Then, for this week, I wanted to do the same thing. So I looked at what happened and how you could make money from it. So once again, this is premium content. This is things that you would have to pay for. This is things that the biggest traders on the internet are not going to give you for free. Just to let you know, I'm doing this shit for free. I'm doing this for you. And that's what this is. So I hope you can appreciate it. And let's get right into it. Upside down, you filled profit target over here. See my little handwriting here, my little scribbles. Make sure no one can copy my shit. My little scribbles over here, right? I wanted price to come right back down here, 468. We did you one better. We went to 465, right? Bearish market structure the whole way down. 4-hour W, like I preach. Move back up, ride the U all the way to the top. Easy like that. Easy like that, munchkin. As you can see, I broke it down even further for the people in the back because I was the person in the back because I didn't understand this shit until I put in the time and the effort. But luckily, you guys have me. So this is the you that went last week. On Sunday, I'm going to do this shit again, show you what happened this week, and then I'm going to say what's going to happen next week, and then it will most likely happen. I am a human, I don't have a crystal ball. But if we were to talk big picture, I can tell you where we're going to go. Right now, we're in a more difficult spot because we just hit all-time highs. I think we're going to continue to push. I think spot is going to go to 500 because if you look on the monthly, the quarterly, position to go up or poised to go up, the things that were seemingly negative with the interest rates and all those inflationary talks, they're seeming to just go out the window. No one seems to really care anymore. We got elections coming up. Stocks usually do pretty shit during elections, so I expect the market to probably go up a little bit to 500. Then we can see what happens after that, right? So once again, we don't have to know what the market's going to do because you don't have to know that to make money. Mark Douglas, chapter number 1. You don't need to know what's going to happen to make money. All you need to do is have a predetermined prediction of what you think could happen to the upside or to the downside. Wait for your scenario to play out and just take it, execute, and be done with it. So as you can see, U-shape, right? I made this real nice. So week 1. Anyway, I think I'm going to save this for when I have more subscribers, and then I can explain these things to you. For right now, I don't have any subscribers, so it's kind of sad. Anyway, to quickly go over this, the quarterly's up, monthly's up, the weekly's up, the 2-day is up. It's both lagging. We just swept somewhere. We swept 478. Yeah, we swept 478 last week. This is written on Sunday of last week. I expect price to go to 472, which is roughly 50%. The daily is bearish. The H4 is beginning to look bearish as well. So I predicted us to go from 478 to 472. We did you one better. We went from 478 to 470. Oh, Sean, but you said 472? Well, that's even better for you. It's literally even better for you because it's more money. As you can see, at the time of me writing this, this was Monday, so it was during this time, which is the weekend. So price was at 478, like I just explained to you. Said we were going to run back up to the top. We're going to go right to 472, which would be equilibrium if you were to draw this out. Because I'm a kind-hearted individual, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I really hope you're having a great day, and I don't remember if I did it to there or there. I probably did it to there. Either way, close enough. So as you can see, price came back up to the top on Monday. We had a little bit of sell-off, come back down, right? More bearish market structure, failure to go higher. We broke structure based on this piece and this piece, and we cleared here. So after we cleared this piece, price has to go back up because we have existing orders that need to be filled. So we ran back up to the top, came up to here, ran back to the top again, and then came down. For anyone who's judging me on that 2-second statement, I can go on a 1-minute chart and show you exactly why it happened. This is more of me just giving you a high-level overview if you want to question my abilities. Right, so we broke structure, came back down. And I hate to say break structure. So many people say those terms and those things, and I don't want to be like all of them. I want to be my own person, and I just want to be real. In a world full of liars, I just want to be real. With anything and with everything, I just want to be real. As you can see, bearish market structure. So for all these videos, I've been using TradingView in it, and it's been, what can I say? It's been growing for me. If you've been watching in these videos, you can see me talk shit about TradingView every day, but drawing tool on TradingView is pretty nice. As you can see, bearish market structure. If you go in the 4-hour, we're going to create some type of M, right M, indicating we're going to go down at least to a certain extent, right? Given that I wrote this on Sunday that we're going to go to 472, we went exactly to 470. We went to 50% mark, sweeped it, came back down, beautiful, right? So, like I said, that was going to happen. And then yesterday, I looked at the market, saw a little, what did I see? I saw this big W. Saw price bottomed over here, and I saw this yesterday. I was like, yeah, we got a very good chance to go all the way up to 480. Now we're at 42. So if you want even more information, I'll give it to you because I just like to help. I'm a helpful guy. How could you have made money? Again, this week was a bit busier for me. I didn't get to trade that much. So you're going to get a little premium content. A little 1 minute action, 1 minute breakdown. Just to show you I know what I'm talking about, I'm going to clear the entire drawing set. I remember when I was a new trader, I didn't want to clear drawing sets because I thought it was like taboo. So I'm going to minimize my base over here so you guys can see the chart. Spy, you can see what I'm trading. I hate when you click on someone's videos and you're like, what are they trading? And they hide the ticker. Now it's a spy. Everyone can look at the same thing. As you can see, bearish order flow, bearish momentum, bearish price action, whatever the hell you want to call it, same acronym. People just use names to confuse you. Bearish, right? Slight accumulation, right? For a lot of people, they're gonna be hindsight king. I watched this shit play out in real time. Okay. Bearish, whatever you want to call it, direction, order flow, price action, whatever you want to call it, it's all the same shit. Right, we sold off from here, we ran back to here, we sold off. That was a beautiful trade, right? Price came over here, refuses to go lower, number one, refuses to go lower, number two, entry, boom. Simple like that, easy like that. Take profit where? Right there, right? Let's do some quick math. 471.50. 472.78. I'm not a genius, but that's $1.20, or maybe $1.28, 30 cents. Easy money, easy bread, because the contracts I trade are usually in the money SPY contracts, which are I'm usually targeting. This is 471. I'm usually targeting 472. Right there. I'm not playing with these cheap contracts that are $10 out of the money. No, I want in the money contracts that make money immediately when I know price is going to go in my direction. Buy it, make money. That's $50, $60 per contract. One contract looking at $50, $60. 10 contracts, that's $500, $600. When you level up, get to 100 contracts, that's $5,000, $6,000. Yes, that is the impact of the knowledge that I'm teaching you. So the goal is to, in the next 6 months, increase my contract size as much as possible, so that way I can do it and I can show you what's possible. Because I remember when I first started, I didn't know what was possible, and someone had to show me, not directly, but through online, the same way I want to do it for you. So we're gonna do this together, and the world is your oyster, especially if you're listening to me, because I am very knowledgeable, and not to brag or anything, because I'm not a bragger. I'm probably the most humble guy you'll ever meet. I just need to sometimes be a little bit eccentric online, because you'll probably be bored of me if I were just monotone all the time. So that's trade number one. Number two, if I go to a 5 minute, right? This is what I like to do. I go in 5 minutes to see what's going on here, because I want to know. Because usually you look at the shape, right? We got a little U over here. Is this the one that I drew? No, this is the first U at the beginning of the accumulation over here. This is the first little U over here. This is the second one, right? Could we have gone to here? We could have, but I saw we had this long, giant pause. Big pause. This wick over here, wick. Big pause. So we had this long little wick over here. So I was like, okay, price has like covered its bases over here. So I was like, okay, 5 minute. We're currently in bearish market structure. We just made a slight retracement to go up. Retracement just means a small move up to get to a desired price, and then price is going to continue to go in the direction that it wanted to go previously. So as we kind of inferred, price was going down, right? As you can see, it was going down overnight and the previous day and the higher time frame and stuff like that. But on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute, we were going up. Okay, so we were bullish on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. We're gonna take the trade. We're gonna take the move up to a certain extent. We're gonna understand that we are bearish on the bigger time frame, on the higher time frame, whatever you want to call it. I don't like to play tomato. Terms, conditions, whatever you want to call something, call it. I don't care. I'm teaching you skill. Skill doesn't care about these things. They say, like, if you're smart, you don't try to use big words, so people already know you're smart. You guys got me drinking water, talking too much. Take the trade over here, stop loss somewhere over here. My stop loss is I have a hard stop loss, but I also have look at the candles and see if price is not giving me what I want to see, I will cut it. So even if you were to come in over here, you may have been in a slight drawdown, just a little bit, the price would have came your way. I'd have taken this trade up to here. Oh yeah, but you shut up. Yeah, but you missed out on like $2. Shut up, right? Let me tell you why, because you don't know, right? It's easy to play hindsight king and say, price could have went like this. Price could have went like that, right? It could have went just like that. It didn't mean it had to go straight down. But this is where market intuition and understanding higher time frames plays a bigger role, because we are bearish, right? So you have to understand that we're making another bearish leg down, or just a leg down, right? And usually when that happens, we have a small push up to kind of shake people out, right? I assume that a lot of people over here, when they were in profit of about $50-$60 per contract, half their profit got erased just on this move up. So people were probably scrambling to sell here, like, fuck. So, and then, yeah. Then it all depends on what you want. If you want to be a scalper, scalp that, right? You understand market structures, and we're gonna move up, right? Wait for it to move up, time it. Might not necessarily get it there, but you could get it there, right? And there are targets, right? As I mentioned, I had lines here. There's targets at 470. We hit, we swept. Now we got another 5-minute W over here, 5-minute M. Let's go to 1 minute. Show you know what I'm talking about. Where are we? Again, these videos are longer because for me to show you like details, it just has to be longer, right? So if you want to, you could have got a breaker structure over here, which is definitely favorable. It's not bad. That's a game that sometimes can be confusing. Breaker structure, move up, push back down. You could have got an entry over here, safer. I mean, if I was taking this live, I probably would have done it here. This is the safer one, depending on how I'm feeling. This is the proper way to do it. This is the leg down. This is the lower low. This is the lower high, right? So we swept this piece over here. We broke the structure, right? Then we came back down. I see 2 equal lows, refusal to go lower, all bearish signs, right? This was the first sign to show that we're looking like bullish, sorry. This was the second piece, this was the third piece, enter over here. You want to see something real cool? Power of imbalances, right? All the ICT people love to say, FIFA you gup! FIFA you gup! You call whatever you want, bro. I call it imbalance. Look at that. Boom. Or even here. Either way. 470.56. 471. Over $1. I'm telling you. You would have made $100 just trading one contract. You've just listened to me. You'd have traded 10. You'd have made a band. Free information, man. Free information. Once again, no edits. You're rocking with me for me, and I don't really want to go over yesterday's. With this interesting price action, I'll make this rather quickly. Accumulation, right? Accumulation. Targets here. Targets there, right? Equal lows, important to see, break a structure up, leg back down, entry here. Boom. Take this right up to here, get out. 50, 80, $1.30 is all you need. Literally all you need. When you start trading 50, 100 contracts, that's $25 to $5,000 in a matter of 10:21 to 10:49, 28 minutes, right? If you would have gone 5 minutes, you'd probably see some type of 5-minute M. Taking that somewhere over here. And then over here, I saw in the 15-minute, let me just not mess with it. I saw in the 15-minute that there's a big M that was coming. That's what led me to realize that we were going to go from 472 to 475 and then ultimately go to 480. Because yesterday's action, this is around 1 o'clock. I remember just taking a brief look at it. I was busy doing some other things. But, yeah. So, break a structure. Let me just do this the proper way. We broke structure above over here. So, could have entered over here. Look to take it off over there. Or, sometimes like you can use intuition on the higher time frames, and my intuition was telling me we're going to go to 477. Looky here, 477. Okay, so I hope you're watching and paying attention and making notes, and I don't know anyone else that's gonna break things down on a 1 minute time frame and give you information. Really don't know. It's a beautiful 5-minute W for those out there who are doubting. Entry over here. Either or. If you entered here, you contract could have got a little messed up because of theta. But you would not have been in drawdown. You would probably been like drawdown like a few dollars. And once again, like I say every time, we satisfy. We gotta satisfy. We have to satisfy not only our goals, our intuition, but the market has to satisfy itself. Yeah. Set 480 at the beginning of the week. We're at 482. On that note, I love you, I appreciate you, and take care of yourself, right? If you can't take care of yourself for yourself, take care of yourself for me, okay? Now take care of yourself. Watch these videos. Look at price the way I look at price. And just be my friend. I don't want to look at anyone as a subscriber or anything like that. I don't want to look down on people because I've been there, and there's no point in looking down on people. Only weak people do things like that, right? The stronger you are, the kinder you become. So, take care of yourself, right? Peace.